Picture a vehicle that refuses to settle for ordinary roads or predictable drives. It demands attention the moment it rolls into view, promising adventure and engineering bravado in equal measure. Imagine climbing steep trails, carving through loose sand, and tackling rocky paths with confidence and precision. Few machines in the market today combine rugged capability with modern technology in a way that excites both enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. This is the moment we explore what makes a new breed of off-road SUV not just capable but aspirational. Today, we dive deep into the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor, dissecting every aspect from its design philosophy to its trail performance, and uncover why it has become the benchmark for extreme off-road vehicles. From the engineering innovations that let it dominate harsh terrain to the subtle details that make it daily drivable, we will see what sets it apart from a rival. Stick with us for a full exploration, and if you enjoy this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the next model you want us to examine. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor begins with a bold statement in design that immediately signals its off-road intentions. Every line, panel, and proportion is sculpted for function as much as form. With a wider stance, reinforced fenders, and a front end that balances aggression with aerodynamic efficiency, this is not just a lifted Bronco, but a purpose-built machine that promises capability before a single wheel leaves the pavement. The exterior dimensions are carefully calculated to provide stability in extreme conditions, with suspension travel optimized for large obstacles and uneven terrain. Under the hood, the high-output twin-turbo V6 produces power numbers that rival many sports cars, yet its delivery is tuned for torque and responsiveness at low speeds, critical for climbing, crawling, and navigating technical trails. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it ensures smooth power transitions and maintains traction in shifting conditions. The chassis itself is strengthened with modular frame reinforcements that allow the Bronco Raptor to endure repetitive stress from high-speed off-road runs without compromising handling or safety. Fox Live valve shocks with adaptive damping adjust in real time to road and trail conditions, reducing body roll, absorbing impacts, and keeping the tires planted for maximum grip. Every suspension component is engineered to maintain articulation and stability, which means that drivers experience confidence when the terrain becomes unpredictable. Inside, the cabin merges rugged practicality with modern convenience. Durable materials line the seating surfaces and controls, yet technology is fully integrated with large infotainment displays, driver assistance features, and customizable digital gauges that relay critical information in real time. Storage solutions are optimized for adventure, allowing occupants to stow gear safely without cluttering the cabin. Ergonomics are carefully considered so that even after long hours navigating rough terrain, the driver and passengers remain comfortable and alert. The interior is not an afterthought, but a critical part of the Bronco Raptor's overall performance strategy. Aerodynamics, while often secondary in off-road vehicles, play a surprisingly important role here. Sculpted panels reduce drag, direct airflow to cool critical components, and minimize lift at high speeds. Even the skid plates and underbody protection are designed to channel air and debris efficiently, reducing resistance and protecting essential systems. The tires are large, all-terrain units with reinforced sidewalls and aggressive tread patterns. These not only provide traction in mud, sand, and rocks but also maintain durability over long distances under high stress. The wheel design maximizes clearance and allows for high-speed articulation without rubbing, which is essential for both trail performance and highway stability. Driving the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is an experience that combines raw power, precise control, and sensory feedback. Acceleration is immediate yet manageable, with the V6 torque curve allowing for controlled climbs and rapid recovery when conditions demand it. Braking performance is equally tuned, with oversized discs and enhanced cooling to prevent fade under repeated stops in challenging terrain. The steering system offers precise input and feedback, translating the driver's intentions directly to the wheels while filtering out unnecessary vibration. Technology assists, not replaces, driver skill, with features such as selectable drive modes for sand, mud, rock, and snow. These adjust throttle response, transmission mapping, traction control, and suspension settings to optimize performance for each condition. Off-road cameras and sensors provide visibility where lines of sight are limited, enhancing both safety and confidence. The Bronco Raptor is not just measured by raw numbers but by the versatility it provides. Whether tackling a steep incline, powering through a desert wash, or maneuvering over rocks, the synergy between powertrain, suspension, tires, and electronics creates a vehicle that feels capable in nearly any scenario. Durability is a core focus. Every component is tested against extremes of temperature, dust, water ingress, and mechanical stress. Reliability over repeated off-road excursions is non-negotiable, which means that owners can focus on adventure rather than maintenance. The design process involved rigorous simulation and real-world testing, including desert runs, rock crawling courses, and high-speed off-road loops. Feedback from professional drivers was incorporated to refine damping rates, throttle mapping, and ergonomics. Even the steering wheel position and pedal layout were optimized for maximum control during long, physically demanding drives. Fuel efficiency is addressed in practical terms. While high-output V6 engines are not known for economy, the Bronco Raptor balances performance with smart thermal management, cylinder deactivation, and variable valve timing to reduce unnecessary consumption during low-stress driving. Electronic aids monitor torque distribution to ensure minimal energy loss, which means the vehicle can traverse long trails without excessive refueling. The integration of driver aids is subtle and purposeful. Stability control, hill descent, and traction management systems intervene only when necessary, allowing the driver to feel connected to the terrain. These systems are adjustable so that advanced users can tune assistance to match skill level, making the vehicle adaptable for both novices and seasoned off-roaders. In terms of competition, the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor establishes a new benchmark. While other manufacturers offer capable off-road vehicles, few combine high-speed stability, low-speed precision, and daily usability in a single package. This makes the Bronco Raptor not just a specialty vehicle but a versatile tool for adventure enthusiasts. The overall effect is a machine that commands respect on the road and trail. It is visually imposing, mechanically confident, and technologically advanced. It is a vehicle that encourages exploration while giving drivers the assurance that it can handle whatever nature throws at them. By the end of this segment, it is clear that the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is not simply an SUV but a purpose-built off-road warrior. With its combination of engineering, innovation, driver-focused design, and uncompromising capability, it sets the stage for a deeper look into the technologies and decisions that make it unique. The engineering behind the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor reveals why it performs as a top-tier off-road SUV. Starting with its reinforced frame architecture, the body-on-frame construction is strengthened with high-strength steel crossmembers that resist torsion and bending, allowing for both durability and responsive handling in rugged terrain. Suspension geometry is carefully calculated to maintain tire contact under extreme articulation, ensuring grip on uneven surfaces. The Fox Live valve shocks are paired with dual-rate springs, which absorb minor bumps smoothly while handling large impacts without bottoming out. Adaptive damping technology continuously adjusts to terrain conditions, using sensors that measure wheel speed, suspension travel, and chassis pitch. This ensures that each wheel reacts independently, maintaining stability while allowing the chassis to flex naturally. The high-output 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine is built for torque delivery at low RPMs, critical for climbing steep inclines and navigating technical obstacles. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it provides smooth gear transitions and the ability to hold gears for precise control. The drivetrain features a sophisticated four-wheel drive system with electronically controlled front and rear differentials, allowing torque to be distributed optimally between wheels. Off-road drive modes adjust engine mapping, throttle sensitivity, transmission response, and traction control to suit specific conditions such as sand, mud, or rock crawling. The tires are specifically engineered for the Bronco Raptor, featuring reinforced sidewalls, aggressive tread patterns, and large contact patches. This combination provides grip in soft terrain while resisting punctures and sidewall damage from rocks and debris. The wheels and suspension provide substantial ground clearance, with approach, breakover, and departure angles optimized for extreme terrain. Skid plates, rock rails, and Reinforced bumpers protect critical components while contributing to structural rigidity. Thermal management is equally advanced. High-load components such as the engine, transmission, and brakes feature enhanced cooling, with airflow channels and heat exchangers positioned to maintain optimal operating temperatures during intense off-road sessions. Electronic monitoring systems track temperatures, torque distribution, and wheel slip, providing feedback to the driver and adjusting parameters to prevent overstress. The interior supports performance with durable yet comfortable materials, ergonomic seating, and strategically placed controls. Digital displays provide real-time data including pitch, roll, wheel articulation, and off-road navigation. Storage is designed to secure equipment and tools without interfering with cabin space. Technology assists driver skill rather than replacing it. Selectable traction modes, hill descent control, and real-time feedback allow even novice drivers to tackle challenging terrain confidently, while advanced drivers can dial back electronic assistance for maximum control. Testing for the Bronco Raptor was exhaustive. Prototypes were subjected to deserts, high-altitude mountain courses, and purpose-built rock-crawling tracks. Each component was monitored for stress, fatigue, and wear, leading to iterative refinements in chassis stiffness, suspension travel, and powertrain mapping. The result is a vehicle that maintains performance and reliability under repeated heavy use. Aerodynamics, though secondary for an off-road vehicle, were integrated thoughtfully. Airflow around the wide fenders, hood, and roofline is optimized to reduce lift, channel cooling air to critical components, and limit debris accumulation on underbody protection. This attention to detail enhances high-speed stability and efficiency. The braking system is enhanced with oversized discs, multi-piston calipers, and cooling ducts to provide consistent stopping power under high load or steep descents. Electronic brake force distribution and traction-assisted braking help maintain control when navigating slippery or uneven surfaces. The Bronco Raptor is engineered for long-term durability. Materials were selected for corrosion resistance, fatigue strength, and environmental resilience. Suspension bushings, mounts, and joints are reinforced for repeated stress cycles, and fluid reservoirs are oversized to maintain performance under extreme conditions. Every fastener, weld, and connection point is designed for repeated vibration and impact without loosening or failure. Its powertrain management system integrates multiple sensors that continuously monitor engine load, wheel speed, suspension travel, and environmental conditions. This ensures that torque and power are delivered efficiently while preventing overstress or damage. Diagnostics can be accessed through onboard interfaces, allowing owners to monitor health and performance in real time. The integration of electronics with mechanical systems is seamless. The Bronco Raptor combines adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, drive modes, and driver feedback to create a cohesive system where every component works in concert. This coordination is what separates it from a rival, as few off-road vehicles combine high-speed stability, low-speed control, and technological integration at this level. Driving impressions confirm the engineering success. The Bronco Raptor feels planted, responsive, and predictable even on challenging terrain. The steering communicates subtle changes in traction, the suspension absorbs and adjusts to obstacles, and the powertrain provides smooth yet powerful delivery. The sum of its parts allows drivers to focus on technique and enjoyment rather than compensating for mechanical limitations. In addition to technical excellence, the Bronco Raptor demonstrates a balance between capability and usability. Despite its extreme off-road readiness, it can handle daily driving without discomfort, noise intrusion, or excessive fuel consumption. Cylinder deactivation, smart transmission control, and drive mode selection optimize efficiency when aggressive performance is not required. Overall, the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is a masterclass in engineering synergy. Every decision from materials to electronics, powertrain to suspension, and interior to exterior design contributes to a vehicle that excels in its intended environment while remaining versatile and enjoyable in everyday use. Understanding these systems highlights why the Bronco Raptor is considered a standard-bearer for modern off-road SUVs. The impact of the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor extends far beyond its technical specifications. Early adopters and professional reviewers alike note how the vehicle transforms both perception and experience of off-road driving. It is not just a tool for adventure, but a symbol of capability and innovation, reshaping what enthusiasts expect from extreme SUVs. Owners report increased confidence tackling terrain that previously would have required multiple vehicles or expert guidance, with the Bronco. Raptor's stability, torque delivery, and adaptive suspension allowing them to explore previously inaccessible areas. The cultural resonance is notable. The Raptor has sparked a renewed interest in outdoor exploration, overlanding, and off-road community events, creating a shared enthusiasm among hobbyists and professional adventurers. Its presence has also influenced competitors, who now emphasize technology integration, suspension sophistication, and driver-centric design in response. Resale and market demand indicate that the Raptor is not just a niche product, but a sought-after vehicle whose desirability extends beyond pure performance. The Bronco Raptor balances extreme capability with usability, making it suitable for daily commutes, long road trips, and off-road challenges alike. Interior comfort, storage solutions, and infotainment systems make long journeys less fatiguing while still providing the rugged utility needed in challenging environments. Trail performance has become a benchmark, with users noting that its articulation, traction, and high-speed stability allow for both controlled rock crawling and fast desert runs. The combination of mechanical precision, electronic assistance, and durable materials ensures consistent performance even under prolonged stress or harsh conditions. Ownership experience emphasizes versatility, as the vehicle can transition seamlessly from asphalt to sand, mud, or rocky inclines without modification. This flexibility reinforces the Bronco Raptor's appeal to those seeking a single vehicle capable of multiple roles. Environmental adaptability is another critical factor. The vehicle performs in a wide range of temperatures, altitudes, and weather conditions, thanks to its engineered thermal management, engine mapping, and suspension tuning. Electronic aids provide situational awareness while allowing the driver to maintain control, which contributes to both safety and confidence. Customization options enhance individuality while retaining core performance characteristics. Optional roof racks, lighting packages, and off-road accessories allow owners to tailor their Bronco Raptor for specific missions without compromising mechanical integrity. The community surrounding the Bronco Raptor further reinforces its impact. Social media groups, off-road clubs, and events highlight shared knowledge, driving techniques, and vehicle modifications, creating a network of enthusiasts who celebrate both the machine and the lifestyle it enables. From a technical perspective, the Raptor sets a standard in integrating adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, selectable drive modes, and driver feedback systems into a coherent, reliable platform. The vehicle's design philosophy proves that extreme performance does not require sacrificing comfort, practicality, or safety. The lessons learned from its engineering influence Ford's broader lineup, with innovations in chassis reinforcement, thermal management, and electronic integration trickling down to other SUVs and trucks. Market response underscores its significance. Pre-orders, media coverage, and user reviews suggest that the Bronco Raptor will remain a reference point for years to come. Competitors must now consider not just power and ground clearance but how driver experience, technology integration, and durability converge to create a vehicle that inspires confidence and excitement. The Bronco Raptor's legacy is already forming as a vehicle that bridges the gap between hardcore off-road capability and accessible adventure. It demonstrates that a well-engineered SUV can provide both thrilling performance and everyday usability. In summary, the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is more than an SUV. It is a benchmark for design, engineering, and user experience. It has redefined what drivers can expect from an extreme off-road vehicle while remaining approachable for broader audiences. From technical innovation to cultural impact, the Bronco Raptor has carved its place as a defining model in the evolution of adventure vehicles, setting a high standard for performance, versatility, and aspirational appeal in the automotive world. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor stands as a definitive statement in modern off-road performance. From its aggressive exterior to its reinforced chassis, adaptive suspension, and high-output V6, every element is engineered for both capability and confidence. Interior design balances rugged durability with comfort and technology, ensuring drivers can tackle extended off-road journeys without compromising convenience. Engineering innovations like Fox Live valve shocks, torque vectoring differentials, and real-time drive mode adjustments deliver performance previously reserved for professional-grade vehicles, making extreme terrain accessible to a wider audience. The Bronco Raptor's combination of daily usability, high-speed stability, and technical sophistication sets it apart from a rival, establishing a new benchmark for adventure SUVs. Its impact extends beyond mechanical excellence, fostering community engagement, inspiring outdoor exploration, and influencing competitors to raise their standards. Owners consistently praise its versatility, reliability, and immersive driving experience, which together create a sense of mastery over challenging environments. In short, the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is not just a vehicle, but a symbol of innovation, capability, and aspirational exploration. It demonstrates that an SUV can deliver uncompromised performance while remaining practical, safe, and exhilarating. For enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, it redefines expectations, proving that engineering, design, and driver focus can converge into a vehicle that excites, empowers, and endures.